In today's video, we will be comparing two popular dash cams, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo and the REDTIGER F7NP. Both of these cameras offer impressive features, but they also have their unique strengths and weaknesses. Let's dive in and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to pricing, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo is priced at $189, making it a more budget-friendly option. On the other hand, the REDTIGER F7NP is slightly more expensive at $198. While the price difference is minimal, it may influence your decision depending on your budget. In terms of camera resolution, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo offers a front camera resolution of 1440p at 60 fps, while the REDTIGER F7NP boasts a higher resolution of 4K for its front camera. This difference can significantly impact the clarity of your recordings, especially in critical situations. Both dash cams come with a variety of features, including built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, but they differ in some functionalities. The VIOFO A129 Plus Duo includes motion detection and emergency recording, while the REDTIGER F7NP features a larger 3.16-inch IPS screen and comes with a 32GB micro SD card included. These features cater to different user needs and preferences. In conclusion, both the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo and the REDTIGER F7NP have their unique advantages. The VIOFO offers great value for money, while the REDTIGER provides superior resolution and a larger screen. Depending on your priorities, either could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.